2008 crisis. So one of the most acclaimed investors in the entire world, his forecasts aren't worth a damn. You got to get this through your head. Listening to CNBC, listening to Warren Buffett, listening to Bloomberg, this is not the way to make money. I'm going to show you how, but this isn't the way. When I talk to my friends that have screen time like I do, and I say, oh, I'm going to speak in Singapore to a bunch of new traders, relatively new traders, they say, why? Well, I'd like to help them out. I'd like to tell them the truth about trading. Why? They're not going to listen? Okay, I'd like to try. Because I get a lot of emails, people who are very thankful. But anyway, here's another example. So please don't listen to these predictions. They don't work except in a few rare circumstances. Okay, hope that got through. And I'll tell you something about the market that I want you to get in your head because it's absolutely true. I've been doing this for 50 years. It's absolutely true. It ain't what you're looking at. It's what you're not looking at that gets you. It's that surprise that comes from behind that devastates you. Devastates the market. You know, most people were not looking for the 2008 decline. And I will be honest with you, I didn't see it coming. In all my life, I have never seen a country as torn up as America is right now. And we have the most selfish group of politicians going against him. They don't give a damn for the American people. They don't give a damn for you all, because you're going to be affected too. Do you realize Trump's trying to keep nuclear bombs from going off in the Korean Peninsula? And what are these idiots doing on a split screen? The President of the United States is trying to prevent a nuclear holocaust on the Korean Peninsula, and they're undercutting him. This is unconscionable, but it is a symptom of what's going on in America. Here's the biggie. Nobody's looking at this one. I never hear about this on TV, and that is Skynet. Skynet took over the markets in March of 2009. The markets will never be the same. 2007, 2008, I made a lot of money. I probably made more money in those years than I made the previous 10. But anyway, it was good trading. 2009, March of 2009 comes, I can't make money. What happened? Well, what happened was that the markets went to a very significant degree to computerized algorithmic trading, high frequency trading, on and on and on. And this had a dramatic effect on the markets. Some say that 80% of the volume is silicon based. I would reckon to say that in the past, see, I'm a tape reader. I can read the tape. Only taken me about 30 years to learn how to do that, but I can do that. I'm going to show you one of the most effective indicators, and it's actually gotten more effective since Skynet has taken over. And so, here's the way you make money. Tomorrow, we're going to have a lot more time. We're going to be doing a 5-hour presentation. Joseph Oksano, DiNapoli expert, very talented trader, will be doing a couple hours, and I'll be arriving later.
If you want to win in this game of online trading, you need to first understand what you're up against. So the only way that they can get the kind of position that they need at a price that they want, the size, is to somehow create a counterparty to their trade through the use of the media and control of all of it. Why would anyone risk tens of thousands or millions collectively on certain price numbers? Because if you know what to do, it really works. If enough traders together in this room act upon Fibonacci numbers, then it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy that these numbers will continue to work. When everybody recognizes the pattern, you have a break below the pattern where people get short. We don't buy here because sometimes they are right, you know. We don't want to go against the selling pressure. But we know if they are wrong and when they are wrong. Both ways is going to give you support and resistance. Then it falls back to what you're trying to do at that time.